issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County, St. Clair County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Yale to St. Clair shores and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Goodell's and Fargo around 6:25 p.m. Columbus and Blaine around 6:30 p.m. Rattle and Pool Beach around 6:35 p.m. St. Clair and Marysville around 6:40 p.m. Port Huron and Fort Gratiot around 6:45 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Yale, Warren, Sterling Heights, St. Clair Shores, St. Clair, Romeo, Richmond, Port Huron, New Baltimore, Mount Clemens, Memphis, Marysville, Marine City, Macomb Township, Lakeport, Harson's Island, Emmett, Capac, Armada, Algonac,